So let's just read the question first and underline the given information in the question. So whenever you are starting with any question, so underline the given information. In what ratio is the line segment joining A and B, coordinates of A and B are given, divided by the x-axis. This time we have to focus on x-axis as well, because x-axis means coordinate of that particular point. Y will be 0. X would have some value and Y would be 0. And they are saying also find the coordinate of the point of division. So first thing which we have to find, M ratio N equals to question mark. But do we have to go with M ratio N? Let's just find this up. So this time we have two conditions given. I can take it as my x-axis because the horizontal axis x-axis, and I can assume that the line is a vertical line, or might be it can be slanting, it can be in any direction, but the thing which is sure that it is getting divided by our x-axis. That means that at this particular point the coordinate would be x times x comma 0. So I can take this as let's just take this as A or B, or you can take any, A at the top and B at the bottom. But this time, because Y is -3, so I'm trying to take it at bottom. Further, both side will work. It doesn't matter. 5 and 6, 5 comma 6. And why I have taken it as having a slope? Because you can see value of value of A and B is not same. So I can take it as a slope, but it is absolutely fine if you want to draw it as a straight line as well. Doesn't matter at all. So we are having, I can take this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So we are aware of the section formula. And one more thing, whenever we are going to find ratios, so try to take instead of m and n, if you can find a variable which you can't solve on, it can get solved, but easier ways to go with unit. Instead of taking this, if you are going to take the ratio as k ratio 1, so you will be having a unit. But this time you have to focus A and B. You are going from downward to upward, like from here to here you are going. So you have to focus on that as well. This ratio would be K. A2, let's just consider this point as P. Let point P, or we can say let at point P, x-axis is dividing line AB into K ratio 1. Okay, so K ratio 1. Now let's just go with the section formula. According to the section formula, X will be, as this is M, we are taking in the section formula K as M, 1 as N. So K times or M times of X2, which is 5, plus 1 times of X1, which is 2, over K plus 1. Furthermore, Y will be K times of Y2, which is 6, plus 1 time of -3 over K plus 1. So from here, we are aware that we don't have any value for Y, for X. But for Y, we have value as 0. So I can substitute that value. 0 will be equals to 6K minus 3 over K plus 1. When I'll do the cross multiplication, I'll got 0 equals to 6K minus 3. Or I can write down 3 equals to 6K. Or K equals to 3 by 6. From here, I got K is 1 by 2. So, K is 1 by 2. Let's just substitute that K for X as well, because we have to find the coordinate as well. So, K is 1 by 2 of 5 plus 1 times 2 over 1 by 2 plus 1. So, this would be 5 plus 2 to 4 over, we'll take the LCM, 3 over 2. So, this got cancelled. I got 9 over 3 and I'll got the coordinate of point P. Coordinate for point P, I got x is 3. Here x is 3 and y was given as 0. So I can write down coordinate for P will be 3, 0. let's just discuss the further thing which was asked priorly, that we have to give the ratio for AB. We took that, the ratio we took K ratio 1, but K was 1/2 ratio 1. So to convert it into the simpler form, I can multiply both the portion with 2. So I'll got 1/2. So 1/2 will be the answer.